And what are the essential roles and components of a successful project management organization?
I think a project management organization needs to truly understand the company's goals to ensure that the project prioritization is in sync with them. They need to also have very educated product owners that understand the company or even the department's vision. What do we want to implement this project and why? We need PMO offices or PMO project management organization must keep abreast of what worked and what did not work and be able to adjust quickly or even abandon project if necessary. Share the team's successes and quickly learn from what I call the slip-ups.
Excellent. Thank you.